Dear student, how are you? We are in our chapter Hello Alkane, Hello Erin. In the last lecture, reactions of Hello Alkanes. We are discussing here. We discussed there are three types of Hello Alkanes, not Hello Erin. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, elimination reaction, and reaction with the metal. So one by one, first of all, nucleophilic substitution reactions. Here we are going. What is nucleophilic? Listen. In alkyl halide, haloalkane, bond is covalent between carbon and halogen. Electronegativity of halogen is more than carbon. So here bond is polar. So electron between them is attracted toward more electronegative halogen atom. Here halogen is partially, this one is partially negative, this one partially positive. Any nucleophile means OH minus having, otherwise donating nature of electron pairing species come to the contact which attacks over positive charge carbon, and their nucleophile combines and halogen will be replaced by nucleophile. This positive charge carbon is our nucleus, and due to positive charge carbon, attracted species is called nucleophile. Positive charge carbon in haloalkane is a nucleus, and species which attracts over it, so nucleophile, and here halogen replaced by nucleophile, so that is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this type of reaction, a nucleophile, this one, nucleophile react with haloalkane. The substrate which is called a substrate S, having a partially charged, positive charged, partially positive charge on the carbon atom, understood? Bonded with a halogen, બધાને બરાબર દેખાય છે ને? પેલા તો bonded with a halogen, this is halogen. Partially charged positive charge carbon is connected with a halogen. A substitution reaction plays an halogen atom called living group. Here halogen is removed living group depart as allied ion. Since the substitution reaction is initiated by a nucleophile, so it is called and substitution due to nucleophile, so reaction is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. This one is it is one of the most useful classes of organic reaction. It is the most useful class. It is most useful classes of organic reaction. Of alkyl halide in which halogen is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon. Yes. Here halogen containing carbon is sp3 hybridized. The product formed by the reaction is summarized in our table. So we are in first understood. In haloalkane positive charge carbon is nucleus, and negative species otherwise neutral species which donates electron pair एका नेगेटिव आयन होय का तो न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल होय जे इलेक्ट्रॉन पेर डोनेट करशे तो आनो नेगेटिव पार्ट અને પોઝિટિવ પાર્ટ વડે એટ્રેક્ટ થાય હેલોજન રિપ્લેસ થઈને આ કમ્બાઈન થઈ જાય એટલે ન્યુક્લિયોફિલિક સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન રિએક્શન કહેવાય. In our book some reactions are given which are most important. So one by one we are going. So first of all our main reactions should be haloalkane react with nucleophile. So here nucleophile attach with carbon and halogen will be replaced. That is substitution reaction. Now in the table one by one we are going. Suppose haloalkane 1 first of all is reacting with sodium hydroxide. So here Na plus and OH minus. So OH minus is our nucleophile. Carbon is partially positive, halogen partially negative. So this negative part of nucleophile attracts toward alkyl group and it gives alcohol product and removal of sodium halide. If there is KOH, same. Our nucleophile is OH. I am giving you example. Take the screenshot. All the reactions are not given. Only one given. Example is not given in your book. આ એકે એક્ઝામ્પલ બુકમાં આપેલા નથી જોજો. Na plus and OH minus, here plus minus. Ethyl combines with OH. So it gives ethanol and removal of NaCl. If potassium hydroxide is taken, then OH minus attacks on this carbon. So ethyl with OH we get ethanol, alcohol, Now K with Cl, removal of potassium chloride. Understood? Now second one, haloalkane gives alcohol. It is discussed. Now second one, haloalkane react with water, yes. In special condition, terms and conditions, reacting with water. Here, two division of water, two part, H plus and OH, everybody knows. Here nucleophile is OH, attacks over carbon, positive charged, so it gives also alcohol here. And removal of HX, hydrogen halide, positive with negative. Example for it, chloroethane, when we dissolve into water, so OH combines with ethyl, gives ethanol and removal of hydrochloric acid. Now third one, haloalkane is reacting with sodium alkoxide. Haloalkane is reacting with sodium alkoxide. So suppose we are taking CH3O, methoxy, sodium methoxide, like this. This one negative part, this one positive. So here negative part, alkoxy, so Na plus OR minus. Negative charge oxygen attacks on carbon, so ROCH3. Here ROR dash, so it gives ether and removal of sodium halide. Now ethyl chloride is reacting with sodium methoxide. Sodium with chlorine removes as a NaCl. Now methoxy and ethyl combines, methoxyethane. Yes, this is our product. Now fourth one, reaction with sodium iodide. Fourth one, haloalkane is reacting with sodium iodide. Here Na plus I minus, R plus X minus. Iodine combines with alkyl group, so iodoalkane and removal of sodium halide. બધાને સમજાય છે ને બરાબર? Now chloroethane plus sodium iodide gives iodoethane and removal. I minus combines here Na with chloride as NaCl. Now fifth one, reaction with ammonia. Yes, haloalkane is reacting with ammonia. So part of ammonia, NH2 minus NH plus. So this nucleophile attacks over alkyl group, gives RNH2. This one primary amine. In the amine, we have to check primary, secondary and tertiary. There is a method. Here nitrogen combining with one alkyl group, so it should be directly haloalkanism. Here nitrogen is attached with one carbon, so it is primary. Halogen with H gives HX. If we are taking example, chloroethane is reacting with ammonia. So two part, NH2 minus NH plus. NH2 combines with ethyl, gives ethyl amine. H with Cl as a HCl, removal of Ethylamine is a primary amine. Now haloalkane with primary amine. Yes, this one ammonia. Haloalkane is reacting with primary amine. RNH2 is primary amine. Here two part RNH minus NH plus. So RNH minus attacks on carbon. So RNHR. Secondary amine. Why? Here nitrogen is directly connected with two carbons, so it gives a secondary amine. And removal of H with X is a HX. Now example for it, if chloroethane is taken in the reaction, it's reacting with methylamine. So here two part CH3NH minus H plus, ethyl combines here, chlorine with hydrogen HCl. So one side ethyl and one side methyl. Ethyl methylamine, secondary amine occurs. Ethyl, E comes first, ethyl methylamine. Now if haloalkane is combining with the secondary amine, means R-N H. So RNH R dash. Here two part of it. This negative part combines with the carbon and gives R N R dash and R double dash. Tertiary amine. Why? Nitrogen is directly connected with another three carbon atoms. And removal of HX. Example for it, suppose methyl chloride is taken. Here ethyl methylamine is taken. Then it gives H plus and chlorine. HCl removes. Now nitrogen, one methyl and ethyl is already present. One methyl combines due to negative charge with it. So this one ethyl dimethylamine occurs. Now 8(1), haloalkane is reacting with potassium cyanide. Haloalkane is reacting with potassium cyanide. So here alkyl, here is ionic bond, K plus and Cn. So Cn is negative charge species, attract toward alkyl group, so gives alkyl cyanide. And removal of Kx, K with X. Example for it, chloroethane is reacting with potassium cyanide. Ethyl with cyanide gives ethyl cyanide and removal of KCl. But there is an exception. If we are taking silver cyanide, then what happens? That gives isocyanide. Yes. Here bond is not ionic. Here is covalent bond. So Ag plus continuously transfer on nitrogen atom. That is called tautomerism. Here donating nature of nitrogen is high, then in this case donating nature of carbon is high. So carbon combines with carbon, so it gives cyanide. Here donating nature of in AgCN there is a covalent bond, not ionic. Donating nature of nitrogen is more than carbon. So here nitrogen donates electron pair to carbon and removal of silver halide. So which is alkyl isocyanide. I am giving an example for you. Ethyl chloride, store in your mind, react with AgCN, so removal of AgCl final, but product will be ethyl isocyanide. Here nitrogen combines with carbon, so it gives isocyanide, RNC. Now, like this, cyanide and isocyanide, it gives product into different conditions. Like this, another potassium nitrite, halo alkane reacting with potassium nitrite. So here K plus and NO2 minus, it gives alkyl nitrite. Here in NO2 minus. Whenever here nitrogen combines with carbon, so alkyl nitrite, not nitro, alkyl nitrite and KX. I am giving you example. Ethyl chloride is reacting with KNO2. So here oxygen combines with the ethyl group, ethyl nitrite and KCl removes. If alkyl halide react with the silver nitrite, so here answer will be changed. It gives nitroalkane. Here oxygen is not donating electron pair, but nitrogen donates electron pair. So it gives the nitroalkane and removal of silver halide. So here example, ethyl chloride plus AgNO2. Here slightly covalent nature, due to that donating nature of nitrogen is here. Silver here comes, donating nature is more of here nitrogen. So here nitro group combines with ethyl, so nitroethane is our product and removal of AgCl. બધાને દેખાય છે ને બરાબર છોકરાઓ? Now silver carboxylate reaction with the silver, yes, salt of carboxylic acid. Haloalkane react with silver carboxylate. So Ag with X removes AgX and RCOOR comes here. It gives ester. Here carboxylate part is negative nucleophile, attacks on positive charge carbon. So alkyl combines with carboxylate and gives the ester. Example for it, methyl chloride react with silver acetate. Methyl chloride with silver acetate. So it gives methyl acetate plus AgCl. Now reducing agent lithium aluminium hydride. Actually Li plus Al plus 3 and 4 times H minus here. Haloalkane react with lithium aluminium hydride. So here H minus attacks on carbon and gives RH, means alkane, plus removal of LiAlH3X. X combine here. Chloromethane is reacting with lithium. This is reducing agent. Means itself experiences oxidation. It donates hydrogen. So methyl combines with H, gives methane. And removal of lithium aluminium hydride and chloride. Now alkyl metal Rx with R3M, M plus R minus. R minus combines here. So more carbon having alkane occurs here. So R with M with X is a MX. Now chloromethane is reacting with suppose sodium methyl. NaCl removes methyl with methyl, gives ethane, and removal of NaCl. Understood? This type of alkanes it gives. Now one thing, here nucleophilic substitution reactions, in some exception we discussed about cyanide and isocyanide. We are going group like cyanide and nitrides possesses two. Groups like cyanide and nitrite possesses two nucleophilic center. Nucleophilic center and are called ambidentate. Ambident nucleophiles. Why? In the cyanide, nitrogen and carbon both participate at 3 electron. Here remaining 2. Remaining 1, but 1 is gained. So 2 electron present over nitrogen and carbon. So carbon and nitrogen both capable to donate electron pair. So it is ambidentate nucleophiles. Actually cyanide group is a hybrid of two. Actually cyanide group is a hybrid of two contributing structures. And therefore can act as a nucleophile into different conditions. Sometimes carbon is donating, sometimes nitrogen, alternating. Carbon and nitrogen, negative charge continuously change on both atoms. Sometimes carbon or sometimes nitrogen. It depends upon condition. With KCN, so this one donate. With AgCN gives nitrogen donate. Understood? So it gives alkyl cyanide or isocyanide. If carbon is donating to carbon, so cyanide. Nitrogen donates electron pair to carbon, so this one isocyanide occurs. Similarly, nitrite ion also. Similarly, nitrite ions also ambident nucleophile. Yes, it also possesses negative charge, N double bond O N O. So here will be sometimes nitrogen donates electron pair to the carbon, so it gives nitroalkane. Here two possibilities. If oxygen is donating electron pair to the carbon, so this one is nitro compound. If oxygen is donating electron pair to the carbon, so alkyl nitrite compound occurs. So which is also ambident nucleophile, which depends upon its condition. Now question of our book. (10.5) question is given in our book. Hello alkane. Question is like this. 10.5 of our book. Hello alkane react with KCN. To form alkyl cyanide. As main product. While AgCN forms isocyanides as the chief product explained. So answer is KCN is predominantly ionic. KCN is a ionic compound which gives K plus and Cn minus. Yes, into the water. K plus and Cn minus ionic compound and provide ions in solution. Yes, ionic compound easily dissolves water. Water might dissolve the ions up in the solution. All the both carbon and nitrogen atoms capable are capable to donate electron pairs. Sometimes carbon, sometimes nitrogen pair. The attack takes place mainly through carbon atom, not through nitrogen. But in this case, attacks carbon atom to the toward nucleophile. So here main product is a cyanide. In ionic bond K plus and Cl minus when separates. So here at a time carbon is more negative than nitrogen. So donating nature of carbon is high. So it gives cyanide. It's more stable than carbon nitrogen bond. Since carbon carbon bond is strong than carbon nitrogen. So behavior of carbon donating is more to form bond between carbon carbon. However, in AgCN, silver cyanide is mainly covalent. Here silver cyanide is mainly covalent by nature, not ionic like this. So silver with carbon is covalent bond. And I told you, here Ag comes here due to tautomerism. Now Ag plus N minus. Now nitrogen is more negatively charged than carbon. So donating nature of nitrogen is here more. With AgCN here tautomerism exceptionally occurs. This Ag comes here. Donating nature of nitrogen is more to the carbon. So it gives here nitrogen combines with carbon. CN bond is more stronger than CC. So it gives isocyanide as the main and chief product. Understood? Now some exercise question we are going to discuss. Question of our exercise 10.1. Understood? Question 10.1 of exercise. Name the following halide. IUPAC name. Name the following halides according to IUPAC. Cysteine and classify them as alkyl, allyl, benzyl. Benzyl three types: primary, secondary, tertiary, and vinyl or aryl halide. Vinyl or aryl halides. Classify them. So one by one. Here abbreviated form is given. Very short. CH3 twice CH, CH Cl and CH3 is given. First, we have to convert our abbreviated form into full-fledged. Twice means અહીંયા twice હોય. It means આ કાર્બન ઉપર 2 times CH3. Here is bracket, so it means as a branch. Here is CH3. So in the longest chain, number of carbon are 4. Okay. Now these two are branches. This one having the prefix chloro, this one having prefix methyl. Which one is more reactive? Chloro. So in numbering, chloro stood first. So on second position chloro, third one methyl. So 2 chloro, 3 methyl, and number of carbon 4. So butane. 2 chloro, 3 methyl butane is IUPAC name. Now type of it. Alkyl group combines with halogen. So alkyl halide. But halogen containing carbon is attached with another 2. So it is secondary alkyl halide. Which is the secondary alkyl halide. Understood? Now second one. Second one, CH3, CH2, CH into bracket CH3, CH, C2H5, then Cl. This is abbreviated form we have to draw in full-fledged. Here is the bracket, so it means it should be as a branch. Here CH, here is bracket, so it should be as a branch. So ethyl with this carbon, chloro on same carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hexane is main chain. Branches here 3 and 4, third and fourth position. From here is 3, 4, so it is not allowed. Lowest number we have to choose. From right hand side it is third and fourth. So reactivity also of chlorine high, and both having prefix chloro and methyl. So alphabetical order due to we have to take first 3 chloro, 4 methyl, and number of carbon 6. So hexane. 3 chloro, 4 methyl, hexane is name. Alkyl group with halogen, so it is also alkyl halide. But halogen containing carbon is attached with another 2. So this one is also secondary alkyl halide. Now third one is like this. CH3, CH2, Cl. Sorry, C. Then CH2 thrice. CH3 twice. Methyl. And CH2I. What about this? Here CH3, CH2. 2 times methyl on this carbon. Here is CH2R. So total number of carbons are 4. Iodo stood first, second, 3 and 4. 1 iodo, 2 dimethyl and butane. Our class is alkyl halide, alkyl with halogen. It is final alkyl halide. But halogen containing carbon is attached with only one carbon. So primary alkyl halide. Now fourth one is like this. CH3 thrice C, CH2, CH into bracket Br and C6H5 phenyl. So this carbon having 3 methyl group. 4 bond completed. Then after CH2, then CH. Here bracket means some branch bromine over this carbon, and here is phenyl. So these are the branches. So longest chain number of carbon are 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So bromo first, 1 bromo, then after 1, no, this one phenyl P, N, so M stood first, 3, 3, 1 bromo, 3, 3, dimethyl, 1 phenyl and butane. Understood? This one is a benzylic halide. Why? Benzene ring, then after carbon, and there is halogen. Benzylic halide, but halogen containing carbon is attached with another two. The benzene वालों carbon एना ऊपर halogen, so benzylic final. Benzylic halide, benzene ring, then carbon, then bromine. But halogen containing carbon is connected with two. So secondary benzylic halide. Understood? Now we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.